Everyone's talking about how AI is dangerous, how it's going to steal our jobs, our creativity, or even our faith. What if the real threat to the church isn't AI at all, but how we're using our time? If we're using tools properly to get back to people and not paperwork, that doesn't seem like a threat to me. It sounds like an opportunity. In this video, I'm going to show you what the real threat to the church is. Not that AI is going to replace us, but that we're going to miss the opportunity of what AI can do for us. I'm going to share how pastors and ministry leaders can redeem their time, refocus their energy, and lead effectively with tools like AI. And by the way, if you are serious about saving hours every single week, I've got a free ebook for you called Redeem Your Time. It's full of high impact prompts pre-built to get you started today. Stick around for the rest of the video so you can figure out how to get it. Listen, I get it. There's headlines everywhere saying that AI is going to replace pastors or it's going to get rid of creativity altogether. But the truth is, we've been here before. The church has always wrestled with new technologies, whether we're talking about radios, microphones, even the printing press. When the printing press came out, people lost their minds. But to be truthful, every single one of those disruptions ended up becoming an effective ministry tool. According to the 2024 State of AI in the Church survey by Exponential, 66% of church staff and leaders report using AI tools occasionally, weekly, or daily. Most of them are using them for administrative tasks, creative roles, or even sermon prep. And according to the Barna Group, 43% of US pastors see merit in using AI for sermon prep and research. So if we look at the statistics here, we can see that half of church leaders are still afraid of using AI in their normal workflow. If we ignore these emerging technologies, we're missing out on opportunities to be with our families, our ministry areas, and even just resting. So what's the real threat? It's not AI taking over the church. It's ministry leaders getting buried in busyness. Most pastors aren't burnt out from preaching or teaching people. They're burnt out from emails, administrative tasks, writing newsletters, creating graphics, social media, all of these hats that they have to wear on a daily basis. And that's where AI helps us. It gives us back something we've lost, time. When we let AI handle the repetitive tasks, we free ourselves to be present, to lead, to love again. This is what I mean by making the most of our time. Ephesians 5:16 says, make the most of every opportunity. For ministry leaders, that means learning to steward tools like AI to protect our calling. When AI writes a social media post or creates a sermon series graphic, it's not stealing away your creativity. It's giving you back an hour with your family. When it helps summarize your sermon or create a blog post for you, it's actually helping you reach more people. The church's job is to not fear innovation. It's to redeem it for God's purposes. So here are 3 practical ways that churches are using AI to buy back their time every single week, and we're just going to use one sermon transcript. Sermon to Blog Builder. Turn your Sunday transcript into a clear, searchable blog post with a takeaway and a call to action so people can revisit the message all week long. The 5-day devotional generator. Convert one sermon into a week of short devotionals that have scripture, reflection, and an action. And this can be used in email or even on social media. Or the small group discussion guide generator. It can produce an icebreaker, key scripture, 3 discussion questions, and a weekly challenge, so that way leaders are resourced quickly. And if you're ready to get started with AI today, I've got a free resource for you. It is my brand new ebook called Redeem Your Time. And you can either get it by clicking the link in the description below or the pinned comment. It will have 3 prompts that will allow you to get the results of the things that we just talked about, whether it's the blog generator, the small group discussion generator, or even the devotional generator. It's got those prompts in there. You just plug it straight in to your favorite AI. It's also got some pro tips and my template for the 3-step prompting system where you can take that and use it for all other kinds of situations. It's free for you. All you got to do is click that link below. The real threat to the church isn't robots replacing pastors. It's getting buried in busyness. Every generation of the church faces a brand new challenge that they have to get over. This is our opportunity to either sit back in fear or move forward. And I encourage you to move forward with curiosity, because when we can buy back our time, we can get back to what's most important: being with people. If you believe that the church can use innovation without losing its soul, subscribe, because I put out new videos every single week teaching ministry leaders how to use AI to reduce burnout and get back to what's most important. And if you want to go deeper about how to write better prompts that sound more like you and less like a robot, click this video right here where I go over my 3-step prompting system to get the best results ever.